The main problem with the way the majority of the population in Kenya cooks is that they utilize a technology called a three-stone fire, which is very inefficient. Only 10% of the energy in the wood actually goes towards heating the food. So they have to use a lot of wood to prepare their daily meals. The poor performance of the stove produces a lot of smoke because the combustion is at a low temperature. So they inhale a lot of the smoke, and it's the equivalent of smoking 2 packs of cigarettes a day. And it's estimated that 4 million people die every year from indoor air pollution from cooking. We had to start at square one to figure out how they cook so that when we design our product, we don't force them to change their way of life. We used our sort of concept, just back of the envelope idea of how this product should be, and all the comparative products, and we traveled to a couple locations and had sort of these cooking parties. We'd invite a lot of women, we'd prepare some food, and we'd talk about what do you like on this one, what do you like on that one, and just collected a bunch of information about the pros and cons of various aspects, in addition to having the traditional cooking method present, so they could talk about that as well. The goal in the design was to make a product that looks good, feels good, and makes them proud that they own it. I want my customers to buy this product and the next day invite all their friends over for dinner and show it off.
We immediately thought it was a fantastic project, fantastic opportunity to do something which, in my opinion, makes a change, a real change.
Everything has to be functional, but yet at the same time give it some kind of identity and beauty.
That research that they did there on the field, trying and meeting the people and knowing also about the culture and how people are there, was very important for our design process.
And we are not trying to be African, we're not trying to be Scandinavian either. We're just looking at this piece for what it is, and it kind of designs itself because of the shape that it's necessary to have for optimum burning.
If everything works out the way it has been planned to, you could improve the life of a lot of people, and I think that's an amazing thought.